interested in making it easier for your clients to book, say, a haircut, a phone call with you, a meeting, how we do that through Google Calendar is over on the far left. You'll see the create. Click the appointment schedule. Now this is going to bring you some options. You can add a title. You can decide how long you want the meetings to last. Let's say it's a haircut, usually about 45 minutes. And then we have our schedule Monday through Friday. Scheduling window allows people to book up to 60 days in advance and no shorter than 4 hours. So you at least get a 4-hour buffer to make sure that you don't have surprise meetings popping up. You can do additional information like location, you can add descriptions, you can require certain information. I usually like to add a phone number, make sure it's required, in case I need to call and cancel for some reason. And there we go. We now have our booking page set up. Here's all of our appointments that are showing up. If we go ahead and click on Monday the 15th and hit book, it is now booked. So let's just go back to here, hit refresh, and here's our appointment. It's that easy. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.